I'm gonna take these 3 foam spacers. They have a sticky back. I'm gonna open the door, put one at the top, this right in the center, and then towards the middle of the door, put one right here, one right at the bottom. Just like that. Now you should be able to take your latch rail and put it tight up against here, and then it should go right in, but with mine, it is a little long. Maybe that's because I didn't follow the instructions. I took that little orange block out, and you know, it would have had a gap over here too. All I'm gonna do, it just barely doesn't fit, but this is something to keep in mind if you don't follow the instructions like me. So I'm gonna take a file, and since the threshold is at an angle anyways, I'm just gonna file this down just a little bit at an angle, kind of like this. Really don't have to take off much, so. Okay, should fit now. Let's see. Oh yeah, perfect, nice and tight. Now, I wanna push that rail tight this way so that it doesn't knock off these foam pieces. And you close the door, and those foam pieces are basically a guide to where you're gonna have your spacing. So you're gonna hold this tight against there and then put your screws in. We're gonna check them all. Middle here, it's gonna be like that. Don't crush the foam, just hold them tight to it. And then the bottom. Like that. And now we can put those screws in. Start at the top. Again, make sure this is tight to the top, to the rain cap. 1-inch painted screws again. And then fill in the screws in between, just making sure that that gap is even, because this can move around a little bit. Now you can open the door, and those foam pieces are probably gonna fall off. You just throw those away.